Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm out in economy. I'm going to check out the Brook Falls. I think it's one that falls off a lot of people's radar. If you're following this as kind of a guide to come out here, the drive is pretty easy and straightforward. You come out to economy and then you turn up this kind of little four-wheeler path that I would recommend an SUV. There's a couple big ruts at the first. I had to take it slow. I definitely wouldn't come up in a car. After you get through the first couple ruts, it's pretty good. And then you just drive until the first spot you can actually pull over on the left. Just kind of a little grassy knoll thing. So I parked here at the spot I just mentioned, and I'm gonna hike into the woods. It's supposed to be not too far in, and there's supposed to be a waterfall. So let's do that. Just gonna make sure that I'm hiking in the correct direction. Yep. So it looks like this is probably a little bit of a path, or at one time. Supposed to be just off the side. As you can probably tell, it's that time of year where I get to wear the festive orange colors. I don't hear any water yet, but I do see what looks like a pretty big hill. So, okay. It's pretty easy walking in the woods. I can hear water now. Okay. It's quite the cliff. I'm gonna stick you guys out there and see if we can see this cliff that I'm on. Let's just chuck you out there for a sec. When I say on, I'm close to the edge, but I'm not on a cliff. I hear the water. It doesn't sound like a ton of water. All I'm doing is just following the path of least resistance down the hill. It's a pleasant place to walk. It's old growth. There's not a whole lot of logging that's been done here in a while. That said, it's kind of steep. Not too steep that I'm worried about tripping or anything or falling. Just I know my lungs are gonna love it on the way back up. Yeah, there is not much water flowing here, so I don't know what type of a falls we're about to see. But I'm down to the bottom. It's pretty quick. We're just gonna walk down onto the creek bed. You see the falls now. I bet with a lot of water flowing after a good rainfall, it's probably pretty neat. It's pretty high, but we're talking just a light trickle. It's a neat little spot. There's a cool little pool, some fish in it. I'll stick you guys in there so you can see the fish. I'm gonna just Be interested to see this after a rainfall. It might be something I return to in the spring. It's a very interesting rock formation. It's almost like cement or something. Not much water flowing, but yeah, it'd be interesting to know the story behind this type of rock formation. If somebody knows, maybe you can tell me in the comments. It looks like cement for a layman, like crude cement with a bunch of rocks stuck in it. Not sure. I don't know how well you can tell with this camera. There's the bottom part of the cliff I was overlooking. Looks way worse than it is. So I'm gonna cut here and I'm gonna see if we can see some fish. All right, I know it was a quick one. That's gonna do it. If you got a sec, maybe you can give this video a thumbs up. Boost my confidence a little bit. If you want to follow me on Facebook, that's facebook.com/New Scotland. See you guys in the next one.